Hello and welcome to Southpaw Drones. In this quick video I'm going to show you what I use to combat Jello and rolling shutter in small quadcopters carrying little cameras underneath. First off, with the actual FPV camera fitted to this Visuo, I've used blue tack, just pushed it in with a small flat blade screwdriver, just a thin bead. It just stops the camera wobbling and takes out some of the Jello. If I can get the camera to focus, there we go. Yeah, just push it in with a flat blade screwdriver. You can still adjust the lens, it just takes a little bit more pressure, but it does hold it in there and cuts out any of the rolling shutter. Right, so as far as the little gimbals, this stuff is from Tesco. It's for kiddies crafting. It's about 1mm thick foam. Other supermarkets are available. You can score it and fold it, and it's really useful. Comes in a pack of 10 different sheets. It's £1.50. You can buy 2 sheets. I've used it here in black and purple just to line the inside and the outside of my sunshade. It's just got Velcro tabs there just to hold it in so I can keep it together, but it folds up and carries with me, so it's a lot cheaper than buying one online. So as far as little gimbals go, I've used 2 sheets of that, 2 little bits, and a little bit of memory foam wedged between, with a couple of bits of Velcro, one on each, one on the back, one on the front, and a little small strap so that we can attach it to the drone. This one's a 509 W drone, and as you can see, that's a little mate cam. We just push it on underneath. The Velcro holds it very securely. The foam cuts out any of the vibrations, and it gets pretty good images, as good as the camera will allow. It's a 1080p 30 frames a second, so it's not fantastic, but it's pretty strong. As you can see, you can move the angle. If you just move where the band attaches on the camera between the foam, just move the foam forward or backwards, and that allows you to sort of angle the camera down or upwards if you want to. It'll also double up as a little holder for the Cube cam. It's a Cube 11 SQ11 cam, 1080p 30 frames a second. It's considerably heavier than the mate cam, so just bear that in mind if you've got a small quadcopter. The 509 Pioneer there doesn't really like carrying this. It's a little bit too heavy for it, but the Visuo doesn't even break into a sweat. Again, just Velcro on the front. If you think it's unsecure and you're a bit uncomfortable, you can use a secondary strap just round underneath the camera over the top of the drone to hold it on. But the one problem you've got with that is that because of where the arms are on this Visuo, you have to sort of mount the camera backwards some, which helps with the center of gravity, but you have risk getting the shot, the front of the drone in the shot. So you've got to be a little bit careful of that. You have to play around with that. But it works well with the mate cam, as you can see there. That doesn't even affect the flight time. Still get 9 minutes out of the Visuo with one of those strapped underneath. I've also got this one here. This is for my action cam. It's a little 4K Anduia, tiny little mini action cam. Again, just memory foam inside. It's really good for stopping the foam. I just cut up an old pillow, but you can get it in sofa cushions and all sorts of things. Don't go ruining your sofas, but you can pick it up, find it around the house, etc. in old things pretty easily. It's excellent for this sort of stuff. If you want to attach little cams like this mate cam, or even the Cube cam, if your drone will carry it. It's a little bit heavier. Yeah, that's what I use. So thanks for watching, like and share.